video by Shalongo. All right, today we're going to cover polynomials intro. So I'm going to go ahead and pop up the lesson and we'll just straight up get into it. So you can go ahead and take notes while I'm going through this video, or you can just watch and try to remember. Totally up to you, either way. All right, polynomials look scary, but they're not. This question's saying what polynomials are in standard form. So the key term here is standard form, and standard form means to order based on exponent. So highest first, high to low, and the low is always going to be the constant. So the number without a variable will always be last. That's super important. Okay, so here we have an exponent of 1, and then we have the constant. Right, so is it in order? Yes, it's in order because it goes from variable to constant. Boom, done. Okay, so this one is good. Here we have constant, exponent of 1, 2. No, 2 would need to go first, then this x would go, and then the constant if it was to be in the right order. It's not in the right order. We can exit out and move on. Here we have an exponent of 5, then we have 2, then we have 1, then we have constant. Is it in order? Yes, it is. Nice job. And obviously, if we're selecting A and C, we're not going to select D unless, I don't even know in a hypothetical situation why we would select that particular letter. We wouldn't. All right, what degree is this polynomial? Okay, so degree is essentially just saying it's referring to the exponent, and in this particular question, it's the highest exponent. Okay, so the highest exponent, I'm going to go ahead and abbreviate exponent. So we've got 2, this one's got 2, this one's an exponent of 3, this one has an exponent of 5, this one's a constant. So the highest exponent here is 5. So the degree of this particular polynomial is going to go ahead and be 5. Boom, done. Same style question, just look at the little numbers. Which little number is the biggest number, you know? 2, 6, 4, cool. 6 is bigger than 2 and is bigger than 4. So it's got to be 6, okay? And this one's saying which of these is in standard form. Okay, again, highest to lowest exponent. Boom, standard form. What do you think about B? Nice. If you said it's in standard form, good job. What do you think about C? You're right, it's not in standard form. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and mark A and B. Psych! C is in standard form as well. You can see that because the variable and then the constant is very similar to A. The only difference is obviously the degree is different. Okay, and that's how you do polynomials intro. So good luck on that. I'm probably gonna bounce in and do one more problem because there's one style problem that can be a little tricky, and it's exactly this one. So I'm gonna finish up on this last problem because it's got a lot of different vocab things. So this essentially the question is saying a monomial of the second degree with a leading coefficient of 3. Okay, so it actually gave us 3 pieces of information there that I should have highlighted in different colors. So it said a monomial, and then it said second degree. Okay, so monomial is referring to one thing. Okay, one thing, one term. Okay, second degree is referring to the exponent, and leading coefficient is referring to the first number. So the first number needs to be 3. So one thing, cool, this is one thing, cool, this is one thing, cool, this is 2 things, that's out, this is 2 things, that's out. So terms are separated by subtraction and plus signs. So terms are separated by plus or minus signs. So if it says binomial, okay, that's talking about 2 things. If it's trinomial, it's talking about 3 things. So binomial would look like x plus 2. Trinomial might look like x squared plus x plus 2. Cool. So A and B are still in. Second degree exponent, that is an exponent of 3. That is an exponent of 2. We want an exponent of 2. Cool, that's out. And then you can see the last element. The first number is the first number 3. Yes, it is. Cool, B is our answer. Mark it. Boom, done. That is how you do polynomial intro.